Microsoft has officially confirmed several powerful new features coming to the new Outlook in May 2026. These updates focus mainly on calendar improvements, smarter navigation, better event management, and enhanced sharing options. If you use the new Outlook on Windows or the web, these features will make your scheduling and email workflow much more efficient. In this video, we'll look at all the new Outlook features arriving this month. Let's begin. 1. Automapped Calendars. One of the most requested features is finally arriving in the new Outlook. Starting this month, Automapped Calendars from Outlook Classic will automatically appear when you switch to the new Outlook. If your organization uses shared calendars, they will now sync automatically without requiring manual setup. This makes transitioning from Classic Outlook much easier. 2. Teammates Calendars in the navigation pane. The new Outlook will now display your teammates' calendars directly in the left navigation pane. This includes managers, direct reports, coworkers. You'll be able to quickly check availability and schedule meetings without searching for each person manually. This feature will roll out to Outlook on the web. 3. Multi-select calendar groups. You can now select or deselect multiple calendars inside a calendar group. This feature was available in Outlook Classic and is now coming to the new Outlook. It allows you to quickly show or hide several calendars at once. 4. Multi-select calendar events. The new Outlook will also let you select multiple calendar events at the same time. You can then perform bulk actions such as copy and paste, delete, categorize, open multiple events. This saves time when managing a busy calendar. 5. Select non-consecutive dates. You can now use Ctrl+Click to select multiple separate dates. Shift+Click to select ranges. This works in the mini calendar and makes it easier to focus on specific dates. 6. Sort emails by flag options. Microsoft is improving email sorting in the new Outlook. You'll be able to sort messages by flag status, flag due date, flag start date. This makes finding important emails much easier. 7. Save calendar events as ICS files. The new Outlook web app will now let you save calendar events as .ics files. These files can be shared and imported into calendar services like Google Calendar, Apple Calendar. This makes event sharing more flexible. The new Outlook is getting major upgrades in May 2026. With improved calendar management, better email organization, and easier event sharing, these updates make the new Outlook more powerful and user-friendly. Which new Outlook feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.